welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy pineapple glazed pork chop. I already went ahead and washed the pork chop thoroughly, and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, bouillon, paprika, some complete seasoning, and creole seasoning. I also will be using some oil, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is combine all the seasonings, mix well, and set aside. Next, you want to coat the pork chops with some of that oil so that the seasoning can adhere to them. Then we'll add the seasoning and just get in there with your hands. Make sure you mix real well and the pork chops are nicely coated with the seasoning. Then we'll allow it to rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. So for the glaze, I'll be using some pineapple juice, honey, ketchup, some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, garlic, ginger, and some cornstarch. To a preheated skillet, I did add some oil, and now we will sear the pork chop on both sides. You want to just get a nice sear on them. We're not going to cook them through right now. We're going to wait until we add them to the sauce or the glaze, and then we will continue cooking them. So once they're brown on one side, give it a flip, allow it to brown on the other side, then we'll remove it and carry on with the same step until we're all done. To the same pot, I will add my garlic and ginger, allow them to go for about a minute or two. Once they become nice and fragrant, we will go in with our pineapple juice and the rest of our ingredients. We're adding everything here except the cornstarch. Allow it to go for about 5 minutes. Just let it reduce a bit, and then we'll add the cornstarch. So as you can see, everything has reduced nicely. Now, if you want your glaze to be thin, you can stop right here, or you can reduce it some more. But now I will add my cornstarch slurry just to thicken this some more so that the glaze can hold on to the pork chop. We will give it a good stir, allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, this is how it should be looking. Now we're going to add our pork chop in here. We're going to add them in and allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing them to cook through perfectly. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Super quick and easy. And this is absolutely delicious. And here you have it, pineapple glazed pork chop. When I tell you this was so delicious, absolutely divine. And it's quick and easy too, anyone can make it. I did pair it up with some carrot rice and some green beans. My entire family enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.